Good morning, meteorologist Steve Krasnowski here with your weather briefing storm scoop update. It is Friday. Happy Friday as always, April 9th, 2021. We're basically the third way through, so how about that? We'll quickly touch on the weather for the weekend in the Northeast and the Mid-Atlantic, as well as the severe weather happening in the South. So let's jump in, see what we're working with. This is at a 1:11 a.m. Central Time, so 2:11 Eastern, SPC Day 1 Outlook. We have moderate risk for parts of extreme southeast Arkansas, into far northeast Louisiana, into central Mississippi. Pretty substantial risk for severe storms, possibly some tornadoes. I highlighted here the area in Alabama and Georgia being monitored for possible severe watch already. There's reports of 2-inch diameter hail near Haltonville, Alabama. Luckily, this piece is offshore because this has already had some offshore rotation reported in there. Storm Prediction Center shows storm chances through the weekend starting today. Middle U.S. low brings in a large area of storms out ahead of it, stretching from the Gulf to the Great Lakes. Some strong squall lines showing on future radar. Keep an eye on future radar for sure. We'll show that in a moment. And Florida Peninsula action, kinda tricky forecast for you. Looking like back-to-back squalls setting up over the weekend. So we have to watch that. Timing will be tweaked, but this gives the basic idea. The latest NAM is here. These are the NAM models outputs. Keep an eye on things as it develops this weekend. Quickly back to today. So this morning, upper Gulf storms fade while the middle U.S. low rolls in, as you can see. Hefty storms again appear out in front with high storm chances today to watch. These will last overnight into tomorrow as that squall line finally gets put into the peninsula. So it's finally into play for Florida. And this is the further future radar into early Sunday. Storms will start to develop tomorrow. That squall line is expected to push east. Florida Peninsula is still a question of how far south and how strong late Saturday into Sunday. SPC showing chances for strong storms Friday and Saturday as this develops. Rain reaches into the northeast. We'll talk about that now. While that rain pushes through, we still have that area of high pressure that still wants to be a block. It's still waddling between weakening and just remaining strong enough. So we have the euro up here, which is a little less bullish than the GFS. GFS wants to make it poor. But again, sharp gradient. Sharp gradient. Keep an eye on the weather this weekend. It's going to be fun. Have a great weekend.